In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to delete your Twitter account. Permanently deleting your X account can significantly improve privacy, mental health, and digital security. It limits data collection on you, reduces exposure to potential harassment or misinformation, and minimizes your digital footprint. To do this, simply head to your X account. Tap onto your profile icon and head to Settings and Privacy. Select onto this very first option of your account. You will then head to this very last option of Deactivate your account. Tap onto this red highlighted Deactivate word. To proceed, you will want to first enter your account password. Your account will then get deactivated. Now for your account to permanently get deleted, Twitter put up these procedures whereby they let your account deactivated within a span of 30 days. If you change your mind, you can reverse the deactivation within a limited time. If you don't reverse it, your account will be deleted after 30 days. Well, that's how easy it is to permanently delete your X account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.